Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate simple membership with MemberPress. Now, go to the MemberPress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the MemberPress integration page. Here, you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable simple membership integration. After that, click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the MemberPress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the Simple membership level. Open the Simple Membership Purchase membership page. This is the Simple Membership Purchase membership page. Click to Buy Now button for your purchase plan. Enter the email and card details and click to Pay button. Membership purchased. Now, go to the MemberPress commission page. This is the MemberPress commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is Simple Membership Platinum Product Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel login page. Enter the username and password and click to Sign In button. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab and see your commission record. Affiliate user also sets Disable Commission on a product-wise. Go to the WP membership levels page. This is the Simple membership levels page. Edit existing membership level. Go to the bottom side and see the MemberPress Commission Settings section. Enable this option and disable commission in this product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.